Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. Just got a big update about DRmare's 45 music computer guys show. What's exactly new and walk you through how to use it step by step with real demonstrations. So let's dive in. Most exciting part of this update, you will have option at the corner, preferences. When we tap on there, click on a conversion, and here we have options to choose format. Yes, you can choose MP3, Lossless, M4A, M4B guys, and WAV also option, and AI and FLAC. So select here MP3 and here sample rate. See, you can choose now 48,000 as it. You can also choose according to your choice. Selection conditions. Okay. Now we can convert up to 15x faster, guys. How is it possible? See, we are on a home page of ads. Select any songs that you would like to listen. So this. So let's tap on it. Now here. Directly we will fix this song and keep on this. Yeah. Now we are on. See. Now we will go for add a list and added this one into the list. So this is also one thing is very good of this tool that you can manage the Spotify music library and this tool. So here now we can see if we click, this is a converting option, so we will tap on it and now see this cam on here. Now how fastly it works, let's see. And we will have option that we can remove and we can convert. So let's tap to a convert. So when we tap to a convert, guys, we can see that how fastly it will work. Now we are on completed this, guys. So now we have completed, so we will tap on it here. Now here it is. Now we can directly import it. Now see here. And we can also, and we will have options to delete, so remove it also. Now the songs, of course, we can enjoy on any device, offline also, guys. So let's play and in high quality, guys. See. So you can, for more update, you can visit on this website, guys. That is the official website of us. You can download by free, of course, here. Free, and you can have the detail about these tools. So this is all about this video tutorial. Further inquiry, of course, I had a query. Drop the query in the comment box. A pleasure would be managed to reply your query, guys. Hi, this is Technology Welfare and we'll be back with a step-by-step with new tutorial. So don't forget to join, like, subscribe and share this content. Anyone who is unprivileged, then they can easily privilege of this information. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye-bye.